Hey guys, so we just stopped for a little picnic on the river. I don't think Rung's mum and her friend are into the camera too much, but yeah, this is a beautiful spot, really quiet. Luang Prabong, to me, a real touristy kind of place. There are guest houses, hotels, and phalangs everywhere here. It's a beautiful spot. Definitely should come and see this if you ever get the opportunity. It's really recommend coming here. This is a different side of Southeast Asia to check out if you're into traveling. Oh hey babe, check out the Laos style Christmas tree. Bamboo.
Nice.
Isn't that nice?
Santa. You see how many Santa?
Oh, look at.
Tompe. I like, they make the old town street, you see?
Yeah, it's nice. Oh my God. Maybe I'll follow this chick, see where she's going. Oh, it's Rung. Oh, they definitely have some nicely colored tuk-tuks here. Long parade.
I don't know if you are.
Guess who's with me? Guess who stopped here? Wanted to have a look. It's Santa! It's Christmas Eve, everybody. Oh, Santa plays the sax. Joma Coffee House. It's started by a Canadian. Hey, you're drinking my smoothie.
So good.
Canadian owned, of course. So we got Nanaimo bars. Kuang Si Waterfall. Kuang Si. This is my tour guide.
Go to Kuang Si Waterfall.
Kuang Si Waterfalls.
Yes.
24 kilometers outside of Luang Prabong. So where do we got to get our tickets here, eh, babe? 20,000 kip here. Watch yourself. Come on. Run over by a tour bus now, after we made it this far.
$5,000 is 20 baht. 100 baht. Mean 100 baht.
I don't have any baht. Oh.
No, my wallet, please.
They have a bear reserve here as well. You just come down out of his little perch, and there he goes.
นอนอูตัวโจดท่านไหนเขากาลองนั่นนี่หักกว่านอนตัวโจดท่านไหนแล้ว
He's in his hammock.
แล้วลงมาเลยคุยใครมาล่ะมากินอาหารกันลูกบอสสงสารจังไม่มีอะไรให้เลย
Oh, wow, poor buddy with one leg missing.
เนี่ยพักท้องหน่อยฮะเขากา
Oh, look at the big one. Look at the big one come out.
กำเนี่ยฮะเป็นพักท้องดิบสับปะรด
เอาเป็นเวลาทานอาหารของเปิ่นได้ละยังในหิจะมาให้เอามันไปอิ่มมา
Wow. They look a lot like the American black bear.
มันเป็น
กินพืชเนี่ยมันก็กินพึ่งกินโปรตีนเหมือนคนนี่เนาะ
มันมีพึ่งนี่มันบอกกินนะมันใจน้ำโหตามันใจน้ำโหนั่นอาบตัวมัน
ลูกไล่เกลน don't want to eat
ตัวแม่
Mr. Picky.
นี่ตัวแม่นี่ตัวผู้กันนี่พูดพอนะฮะพูดตั้งหน้า
This is what we got here, guys. The moon bear, it's called. Compared in size to the American black bear. We've got the brown bear or grizzly and the polar bear. Wait till you guys see this. This is the highlight of the whole thing. To get up there?
so awesome
It was awesome, eh, babe? How much?
Awesome.
How much to get in? 100 baht?
100 baht or 20,000 กีบ
20,000 kip.
กีบ
Keep.
yes
100 baht works for me, especially seeing that Rung paid.
พ่อ
Thank you, Rung. So much.
อันนี้ส้มตำ
She needs some sumtum. So this is the back into tourist land. Well, that whole thing is just a giant tourist trap. Lots of food. Lots of food, restaurants, little places to grab a coffee. Oh. Even Lao babies take temper tantrum. sorry if I'm shaky. I'm walking. I'm so sorry. I'm from Canada. I have to apologize. We're so sorry. Back to the car park. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video of the waterfalls.
Yes.
Thanks for watching.
Enjoy and follow and click like. More than come down.
Back to the car. How much was it to park?
20 baht.
20 baht to park, 100 baht to get in,
5,000.
5,000 keep. Oh, and there's Mom waiting, wondering where did they go? Okay. Thanks for watching, everybody.